Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how I organize and clean out my pantry. I have a small one sort of closet pantry in my kitchen, and it's been, it needs some updates since I organized it when we first moved in. Believe it or not, it's coming on 2 years. It will be 2 years in May that we've lived here. So anyway, come along with me as I do my organizing and get this pantry in shape. So in order to organize, I purchased a couple of things. These were from QVC. They're called the Poppet set of 2-wire baskets. They're sliding and stackable. These will give me more space in the closet. And then I also purchased from Amazon these 2-tier utility rolling carts. Very inexpensive, $23.99 a piece. I bought 2 of them. They were so easy to put together within minutes. There's nothing difficult about putting these together. And they gave me some added space at the bottom of the closet where, I usually just put stuff and I have to bend down and get it. And these drawers were also from Amazon, large stackable storage drawers. I got a 4-pack and they were only $38.99. And these give me added space in the top tier of the pantry because it's really wasted space. I've got a high ceiling on that level and I just don't use that space. So these drawers gave me extra storage space for things that I don't use very often. And they have these little whatever you call them, little pad things to put on the bottom. And these again were very easy to put together. All I did was follow the very easy instructions, just put the little pads on the bottom. These are for the drawers to slide in and out. These things just pop in very, very easily. And then once you have these all put in, put the top on. And this is great acrylic. It's really sturdy. They ended up holding quite a bit, as you'll see as I go forward in the video. But the drawer just slides in there very, very easily. It feels sturdy and secure. And then I just stack the one on top, and that's where those little pads come in because they just make it sit right in there. So this is my closet. This is my pantry. It's basically a closet with shelves, but you can see that everything is just tossed in there. I have organized this in the past, but obviously over time things just get put in there and there is no organization. I do have some containers that I've purchased over the years, so I'm going to take everything out of this pantry. The only way to truly organize is to remove everything and start with a fresh slate. So let's take everything out.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM in, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight.
All right, guys, I have everything out of my pantry. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put all things that are similar or in the same categories together so that when I put them back into my pantry, I will have some kind of order. And also I'll be looking at things that if it's like an opened box of pasta or something like that, I'm going to probably toss that. I'm going to look at my spices and see what's out of date, toss that. And I also picked up it's 8 jars, 8 spice jars, which I am going to take a few of my spices. These have little labels. So I thought that at least some spices would look the same, which would give the aesthetic in the pantry some kind of a, oh, something nice. But I'm not going to be able to obviously fit all of my spices. So there will be some spices that are not in these, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do, as you could see, I'm going to put my drawers on the upper shelf so that I can utilize that space up above. And I will put the little rolling carts down below so I don't have to squat down to get what's down there. It gives it a little bit of elevation. That's what I was looking for. So, and I also got those baskets that can slide into the shelf, so it'll give me extra sort of space underneath. So I'm going to do that on that bottom shelf, so that, because I have all that space, and it will utilize some of that space. So it's really going to add to my pantry. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to show you now. We'll get cracking on getting everything organized and up to date, and then I'll show you how it all comes out.
Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going on. So tonight.
All right, guys, I have finished organizing my pantry and I absolutely love it. I've labeled everything that I could, and I'm going to show you now how it all came out. I spent the better half of the afternoon, probably 3 hours, taking everything out, figuring out where I wanted to put everything, keep everything sort of together. So I'm going to show you how. I'm going to take you on a little tour of it. I'll explain everything. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll still explain it. And then I hope that I have given you some inspiration to tackle your pantry. It's really such a great feeling once you get it done. Now I have room to add, which over the course of living, I will definitely be adding to it. But I know what's in there. I know what I need when I go to the grocery store, and I won't be, duplicating what I already have in there because it's stuck in the back or whatever. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you will enjoy the tour, and I hope that you will subscribe and come on back. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. All right, guys. So as you can see, I have labeled what I can. This is tea, and I have so many different kinds of tea. So I put them in the drawer, and you can see that, you know, it goes back there. So I can see what's in there. I can see what's on the top. And the very tippity top has some tea in a container. But I've got my honey in there. I also have my stacked cranberries and raisins and some sugar, some pumpkin seeds. I have put some, you know, unopened brown sugar, some dark Caro, some Jello pudding mixes, and some baking stuff in this drawer. My cornstarch. I have my vinegars back here. So when I need it, I have something that I bought to bake for Christmas. I didn't end up baking it, but I might be able to bake that in the next month or two. And then on the next shelf, I have my pastas and my instant rice, my regular cooking rice, some noodles there, some chips and pretzels. I have peanut butter and some caramel dip. I have this basket of all kind of hot chocolate, everything that I could possibly need for my hot chocolate. I have some snacks here, some popcorn, some granola, some crackers, my spaghetti, my canned goods, my soups, and down below, I have my spices and my oils. I can just use these Lazy Susans to see exactly what I have here. And then here are the spice jars that I purchased, and I just kind of put them on the perimeter, the outside. And this is all salt and pepper and these spices. I've got some candy back there and different miscellaneous things like some key lime juice back there, some sweetener, and some calcium. And then down in these little basket drawers, these are really great because they've given me some extra storage in the space that was wasted down here. So I just put like random boxes of things. I've got some spaghetti in there, some pasta, some unopened boxes of things like raisins and cookies. These are all the pet snacks, and this is nice because I can just roll this out now. I've got the pet snacks there. I've got my extra paper towels, my pet food, and I have these that I use all the time. So now I can replenish and stock up, and I can see exactly what I have. I put some back stock of my dry food for my cat and dog, and I've also got my extra paper towels there. So as you can see, everything has a home. I can see everything that I have. It's all labeled and looking awesome. And I still have extra shelf space. So when I find what I need at the grocery store, I'll have a spot for it. This basket, I put my bread and my croutons back there that haven't been opened, some rice cakes. So I am super, super pleased with how this all came out. I'm definitely utilizing the space so much more. With so much more wisdom, I have utilized some of the wasted space up in here and definitely down on that bottom floor level. So that is an organized pantry.